يا أيها الذين آمنوا استعينوا بالصبر والصلاة إن الله مع الصابرين.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. We are still on Dead Hand to Delight. The topic, She Wants My Downfall. Brothers and sisters, the prescription or the remedy I'm going to give to you as a man is be a man. I hope you heard. Be a man. Brothers and sisters, to achieve delight, dear brother, you have to wise up. You have to wise up. You know, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us the blessing of intellect, that whenever we encounter a challenge after prayer, so we have to as well use our brain in order to meet up with the guidance Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given to us. And the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam mentioned something which is evident in his hadith. He said, La yuldagul mu'min fi hujrin wahidin marratain. Subhanallah. The Prophet said, a serpent does not bite a true believer in one hole twice. Brother, something you're falling in, you should not be stupid and so foolish to fall in it the second time. So you have to wise up. Your brother, my prescriptions and remedies I'm going to recommend for you are these. One of it is, if you are afraid of sending her more money, perhaps Shaitan did not overpower her again, I would advise you that if there is a friend you entrust, a friend who is so loyal to you that you trust, you can begin to send the money to build a house for you. You send it to him, in as much you trust him. In as much you trust him and you see that he is so conscious of his maker, Allah Azza wa Jal. That is one. Another remedy is that the world today, we are swiftly moving into great technologies. So you could open a bank account whereby your wife would not know anything about it. Then you send money into it. If you are afraid of sending money to anyone else, this prescription is going to work out for you. Then whenever you return from the United States, you can start the building of the house you intended. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala please make this easier for you. Another remedy is that you may achieve delight. Delight is that you can try to find a construction company, so with the involvement of your lawyer. So when you take these into legal practitioners, whereby you award this job and for them to render services for you. And I trust Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, either any of these remedies would work out for you, that you may achieve delight. Because I tell you brothers and sisters, no one will love to work, and at the end of the day, whatever he or she has been working for is not going to be fruitful. We ask Allah Azza wa Jalla to please anyone who is in same suffering like this, but not interested or feeling shy and bored to reach out to people. We have reached out to you. We've reached out to you. We ask Allah Azza wa Jalla to please assist you and to change every bad aspect of your life into good. Ameen.
أيها الذين آمنوا استعينوا بالصبر والصلاة إن الله مع